The Coach Nina leather bag is a sophisticated tote designed for both everyday use and professional settings. Crafted from refined calf leather, it exudes elegance and durability. Key features: Coach Nina bag cologne. Spacious interior, accommodates a 15 inches laptop and other essentials with ease. Multiple compartments, includes zip pockets, a cell phone pocket, and side zip compartments for organized storage. Magnetic snap closure, provides quick and secure access. Protective feet, safeguard the bag space. Versatile design, can be carried by hand or on the shoulder. Reviews: Cologne. Coach Nina bag cologne. Stylish and professional appearance, ample storage space. High-quality leather. Comfortable carrying options. However, some users have mentioned that the bag might be slightly heavier than expected due to the leather material. Colors: Cologne. The Coach Nina leather bag is typically available in a range of classic and contemporary colors to suit different preferences. Some common options include: black, brown, tan, gray, red. Price: Cologne. The price of the Coach Nina leather bag can vary depending on the retailer, size, and specific features. It is generally considered a mid to high-end bag, reflecting its quality and brand reputation.